Your site looks clean to you, but Google sees a disaster. The SBUBTO signature, hidden Indonesian gambling code, triggers spam flags. Your visitors see nothing. Googlebot sees chaos. Serving different content to search engines than to real users manipulates rankings without detection. Conditional activation. Code only runs when visitor is identified as a search engine bot. Hidden from view. Standard plugins scan what humans see, not what Googlebot experiences. Advanced evasion. Hackers use sophisticated user agent detection to stay invisible. Before fixing, you must see the hidden code. 3 methods to unmask the attack. Step-by-step detection. URL inspection tool. Navigate to GSC dashboard. Test live URL. Click Test live URL button. View tested page. Examine the HTML tab. Find keywords. Search for SPBUTTO markers. Chrome DevTools trick. Open DevTools, network conditions. Change user agent to Googlebot. Refresh page to reveal spam. See the hack live in your browser. For technical users, terminal-based verification. Raw HTML output shows exact code Google sees. Look for these telltale markers. Signed by SEO DJ87. Naikin Pake Utak comments. Indonesian toggle gambling keywords. This confirms the specific hack type. Critical. Never edit server files without full backups of your site and database. If you break .htag, your entire site goes down. SFTP access. Use FileZilla or similar FTP client. cPanel Manager. Access via Hosting Control Panel. We're hunting for the brain of the hack. Why hackers love this file. Controls all redirects and URL rewrites. One line here equals total site control. Hackers inject code to redirect Googlebot to malicious PHP files. Identify. Find suspicious code blocks between #begin and #end markers. Remove. Delete malicious sections carefully. Replace. Use default WordPress.ht access if uncertain. First-line defense. Check the very first line of index.php in your root folder. Hackers hide obfuscated code at the top. Hiding in plain sight. Check for unauthorized code additions. Hackers inject one line that loads 3,000 lines later. Compare against clean WordPress installation. WP content. Look for random PHP files that don't belong. WP includes. Check for backdoor files like radio.php or db.php. Common backdoors. Files with generic names designed to blend in. SSH access required. This command searches your entire site. Lists every file containing the hacker's signature. Fast and comprehensive. Delete infected files entirely when possible. For core files, carefully remove only the hacker's code block. Preserve legitimate WordPress functionality. Even if not obvious, hackers sometimes alter database values. Key tables to check. WP Options Site URL field. WP Options Home field. Any redirect-related entries. Hackers leave a key to return. Find and destroy their re-entry point. This step prevents repeat infections. FTP access. New password immediately. SSH login. Generate new keys. Database. Change DB credentials. Admin users. Update all WP passwords. The hacker likely compromised one of these access points. Check who has access. Settings, Users in Search Console. Remove unrecognized email addresses immediately. Hackers add themselves to monitor your recovery. Your server may still serve the hacked version from memory. Server cache. Clear via Hosting Control Panel or SSH. CDN cache. Purge Cloudflare, Fastly, or similar services. Plugin cache. Clear WP caching plugins completely. Force reindexing. Return to GSC URL inspection. Click Request Indexing button. This tells Google to rescan your now clean homepage. Response time, typically 3 to 7 days. If you see spam, don't panic. It's reversible. Submit a reconsideration request. Explain exactly what you fixed and how. Hide spam URLs. If hacker created thousands of URLs like toto-login, use Removals tool in GSC. Hide entire URL prefixes from search results. Prevents spam pages from ranking. Now that you're clean, lock the door. Prevention is cheaper than recovery. Critical files. Set .htaccess and wp-config.php to 444 permissions. Read-only prevents hackers from rewriting them. Cloudflare free tier blocks malicious user agents. Sucuri premium protection with malware scanning. These services block threats before they reach your server. This hack usually exploits outdated plugins. Update your CMS immediately. Delete unused plugins entirely. Regular backups. Automated daily backups to external storage. Security monitoring. Weekly GSC audits and file integrity checks. Update schedule. Monthly CMS and plugin updates. Access control. Limit admin users. Use 2FA authentication. Check GSC daily. Monitor for 1 week minimum. If SPB Toto doesn't return, you've succeeded. Rankings should recover within 2 to 4 weeks. Week 1. Clean site. Submit reconsideration. Week 2. Google reviews your request. Week 3 through 4. Rankings begin recovering. Week 4+, full traffic restoration. Your site is clean, secured, and ready to rank. Stay vigilant, monitor regularly. Prevention beats recovery every time.